Hello grade 7 and welcome to the 10th math session in our lesson, which is triangles case of equality in the part of lines in triangles. Let's start with exercise number 11. Consider the triangle ABC where B is equal to 60 degrees and C equal to 40 degrees. The first question, which is part A, calculate angle A. So let's start with part A. We said that in any triangle, the sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So in this case, when we have 180 degrees, so to find angle A, so angle A is equal 180 degrees minus B plus C, which is 60 plus 40 degrees, which is equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degrees. Okay, don't forget to put the caps here and here and here, and here we have degree. Okay, now I want to draw this triangle. If you notice that here I don't have the measure of the side, which is a BC. Okay, I'm going to take BC equal to 5 centimeter. You can take it the length you like. Okay, you can take it 6, you can take it 4, but 5 is good. Yeah, let's start. To draw a triangle, in the case of angle, side, angle, I start drawing with the side. So, starting with the first side, I took it 5 centimeters. Here it's 5 centimeters. Then, let's name it. This is B. And this is C, and of length 5 centimeters. Okay, then angle, side angle, we have to use the protractor, put it on B, and let's measure 60 degrees. 60 degrees, where is this 60? Here it's the 60 degrees. Okay, so this is the first one. Look, let's write 60 degrees. 60 degree. Then let's continue. This is here degree. Then let's use the set square, and again we have to put it on C, put it in C correctly, and let's measure the angle C, which is 40 degree. This is 40 degrees. Okay, and I'm done. So now let's write the measure of angle C, which is how much? 40 degrees. Okay. Now, the second question. Construct the height AH. Don't forget, we have to name here the vertex, which is A. Now, construct the height AH drawn from A. When I told you I want to draw the height relative to the opposite side, so it must be perpendicular to BC. Using the set square, this is my set square. Line it up correctly with the side on BC and the other side passing through A. Look here, this is passing through A, and the right angle is on BC. Let's draw the height. This is the height. Height, its name is AH. Let's name it. Here it's H. Don't forget, we have, let's move this one. Okay, we have here right angle. Let's write. Yeah, B. Find the measure of angles in each of triangle ABH and AHC. Let's start with triangle ABH. I want to find its angles. In each triangle, we have 3 angles. Okay, so starting with part B. Okay, so we are going to start in triangle, which is ABH. How many angles do we have? We have 3 angles. So angle B is already given, which is equal to 60 degrees. Can you find another angle? Here we have a height, so angle AHB is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because AH is a height. Then how can we find the measure of the third angle? Don't forget here to put a cap. Here we have degree, degree, and here we have a cap. So let's continue. Now how can I find the measure of the third angle, which is A? So BAH is equal to 180 degrees minus angle B plus angle AHB. As you can notice that angle B, I'm naming it by 1 letter. But angle H, I'm naming it by 3 letters because we have 2 angles named with vertex H. Okay? So, which is equal to 180 degrees minus how much? 60 plus 90 degrees to give me 30 degrees. 180 minus 150 will give me 30 degrees. As we said, don't forget to put the cap, and here I have a cap, here I have a cap, and don't forget to put the degrees. Okay, but I didn't finish yet. You have to write the reason. Why did I subtract from 180 degrees? Because the sum of angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Now, similarly, if I want to find the angles in triangle AHC, let's find them. In triangle AHC, we have to find the angles. Don't forget, we have 3 angles in each triangle. We have angle C is equal to 40 degrees and angle AHC equal to 90. Why? Because AH is a height. When you have a height, it means you have a right angle. Don't forget to put the cap. Here I have a cap and I have here degrees. So how to find the measure of the last angle? The last angle, which is CAH. CAH is equal to 180 degrees minus 40 plus 90, which is equal to 180 minus 130 equal to how much? 50 degrees. Okay, so now I find the measure of all the angles of triangle CAH. Now, this is part B. Now, part C. Let BM be the bisector of angle B and find the measure of angles in the triangles. Okay, I'm going to draw the angular bisector which is at B. How to draw the angular bisector? To draw the angular bisector, we put the needle on B and make an arc. Let's make an arc. The arc will intersect the two sides in 2 points. Now, put on the first point, make an arc, and put it on the second point, and keep the same opening and make an arc. The two arcs will intersect in 1 point. Here is the angular bisector of angle ABC. So let's join. Its name is BM. Let's name it. It's BM. Okay? And like this, we are done with drawing. Then they told me to find the measure of angles of triangle A and B and BMC. Okay, so let's start with part C, where I want to find the measure of angles of triangles A and B and BMC. So starting in triangle AMB. Okay, let's find the angles. First of all, in triangle A and B, look here. A, B. Angle A, we found it before, which is 80 degrees. Can you find the measure of angle AB? AB. Here we have an angular bisector which cut the angle into 2 equal parts. So this one will be 30 and this one will be 30. So let's write. Here we are going to say that angle BAM is equal to how much? 80 degrees. It's given. Okay, we found it in part A. And ABM is equal to 60 degrees divided by 2 to give me 30 degrees. Why? Because BM, look how I'm going to write BM. It's a semiline. BM is the bisector of ABC. So now I got 2 angles. There is a missing 1 angle. So I'm going to write here cap and a cap. Okay, of angle ABC. So now let's find the last angle, which is A and B. We still have angle A and B equal to 180 degrees minus how much? 80 plus 30 degrees to get 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, let's put the degrees. And we have a cap here. Now we still have to find the angles in triangle BMC. Similarly, this is 40. this is 30 and this one will be 180 minus 30 plus 40, which will give me the answer. Okay, so I'm going to write them in triangle. In triangle, the second one is BMC. We have angle C or MCB or BCM. BCM equal to 40 degrees, it's given. And I have MBC is equal to 30 degrees. Why? Because BM is the bisector of what? Angle ABC. So I will repeat before I start. So let me write the caps. Here we have a cap and here we have a cap. So look at the triangle BMC. We have C 40 degree. Here I told you it's 30. Why? Because we have 60 and an angular bisector. So 30 and 30. Now let's find the measure of angle BMC. Comma. Then angle BMC is equal to 180 degrees minus how much? 40 plus 30, which is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees, which will give me 110 degrees. And by this, we found all the angles of these two triangles. Don't forget, in each triangle, I have 3 angles. Okay, so I'm done. And by this, we finished solving the exercise. We finished this session and part 1 of our lesson, which is triangles. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.